will remember these days as the days when I had a focus that I do not feel in the moment. Only the moment, I know, only the moment the whole sky is broken, it opens upon me. These are the days, these are the only days. So why can't I feel them, hold me? Why must I sit in the wake of the days, watching them pass like they are not golden? These are the golden moments, but these are